Alright, this one's going to be a quick one. Now I bought myself a welder recently and I need a welding table. Because I'm too cheap to pay 170 bucks for a welding table from the actual store, I'm going to weld one on the floor. And I've got a shitload of scrap pallet wood lying around, so I'm going to use that for the legs. And we'll see how that goes. Hopefully it doesn't catch fire. This is one of my workbenches, but the wing mirror of my ute caught it and twisted it out of shape. So now it's going to get destroyed. One way to do it. So it turns out we hit this with the car. I really did a number on it. And these are way warped and out of square, so I'm gonna have to fix that. So the 1.2 by 2.4 meter sheet of 3mm steel I ordered is way too heavy for me to get off the ute by myself. So I have to improvise. There's a mosquito on the camera. This is Gumbit 5. I never want to do that again. Do this one last. just going to stitch weld this, maybe 20 mil of weld every 100 mil. That should be enough. Ooh, mistakes were made. This is still hot. Alright, I might just go through, polish this up with a flat disc, and it's done. Alright, so I was going to polish all this up to make it shiny like this, but it took forever, and it damn near tore apart the abrasives I was using. So I figured it can stay the way it is. I'll just even out the hot bits, I guess. Just even out the hot bits where the weld came through, and then I was looking at it and I was kind of bored with how it looked, so I threw a shelf in down the bottom just for the welder to sit on for now until I can make a cart. And then, well, I didn't want the wires just laying around loose everywhere, so I hammered some nails in to the side here, then just used 2 pairs of pliers to bend them up, and they hold all of the cords quite nicely. And did the same thing for the helmet and for the steel wire brush. But that's it. Now the only thing that I might still do to it is chuck it up on some casters if I can be bothered, and might find a way to put the vise to it. Who knows? But that's it. So all up, that took about 2 half days worth of work. I'm actually pretty happy with how it turned out, considering I went into it with no design, and really the only reference I had was an image in my head. And for anyone who's asking the question, hey, that's made of wood, what's gonna stop it catching fire? Good question. But I have thought of it. So I've got fire blankets on the way. I'm gonna chuck one underneath that plate between the wood and the steel, and have it draped down around the rest of the equipment, and hopefully that will stop it from catching fire from slag or spatter or anything like that. Now, after having had to push that thing from where it was in the garage to where I'm storing it in the garage, I'm definitely putting that thing on casters, because god damn, it is heavy. I mean, it makes sense. The thing weighed probably 8 kilos by itself before I put the welder and the steel plate on top of it. So, you know, it's not light anymore. Now, I promised this was going to be a quick one, so we're done here. So remember, if you liked what you saw, hit the like button. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. If you want to say something, you can leave a comment. I generally respond to all comments. It gives me a little bit of a kick to see that ding notification. And keep an eye out for the next video. I'm not sure if I'm going to make a pair of gloves or if I'm going to make a pair of boots, but I'm going to make something armor-ish. Bye.